Start of my ham, bean, and lentil soup, which I will be making. I'm going to soak my beans overnight. Okay, so the northern beans, they soaked overnight. Then it also tells me to rinse it. I wonder if this is, they say to look for things. I don't know if this is something I'm supposed to look for. Yeah, we'll get rid of it. Oh, here's another one. I don't know if they're good or bad. So just to be safe, I'm gonna get rid of the ones that look like that. Okay, so now I actually have the tripod, but I'm gonna move you some. Ah! I hope you can see this. I'm gonna put the beans, this will be the first thing in there, and then the lentils I'm gonna rinse, because they just said to rinse, not to soak. Okay, so now to rinse the lentils. I don't know what the heck that is. I guess the stalk from the lentils. Get rid of that. I don't need that. Okay. So I'm going to put these in the crock pot. So I'm going to chop up an onion to put in there. I won't make you watch me do that though. Okay, now to add all the other stuff. I thought I had vegetable broth, but I got beef broth. So I'm going to add that. This is a cleaning out the fridge and recipe, so I don't know how this soup is gonna taste. I did put my onion in there already. I want to make sure there's plenty of liquid. And then I have some I found a can of chicken broth, so that's going to get added too. And I found some sliced carrots, which I'm going to add to it. Yeah, I got plenty of liquid. There's still a carrot in there. There we go. And I also am going to add a can of vegetarian beans. And I'm going to add my ham, which a wonderful couple from church gave me. So it's in a Cool Whip, but it's not Cool Whip. It's ham. And some spices. We got Kinder's wood fried garlic, which actually tastes pretty darn good. I had it in a meatloaf, and I figured it'd add some more smokiness to the ham, to the soup with the ham. I probably put way too much in there, but oh well. I do like my garlic, and hopefully the wood fried is as good for you as regular. Got parsley flakes, because I like parsley in basically everything. And the last spice I'm going to add is some pepper. I'm going to try not to put too much pepper in. Sometimes I get too heavy-handed and then all you can taste is the pepper. Okay, so the spices is done. Probably should give it a stir. I don't know if y'all can see me, but I'm just getting my utensils. I try to be prepared, but I never am. And just, yeah, it looks like plenty of liquid. Oh, here's the, I probably should put the lid on it. And I think I'm going to put it on medium because it's a little later than I wanted to get started. And the light's not, oh, yeah. Always helps if you plug the things in. They don't work if you don't. I gotta get it. Oh, man. I thought that I could plug it in from where I was, but I couldn't. So I moved it over. Now, we're going to have to wait quite a while till it's fully cooked in that. So that's what it looks like. I will be back for the taste test. I'll probably stir it a few times during the day, smell it, see if I need to bump it up or turn it down. We'll see you later. Okay, so this is what the soup's looking like, and it's ready. So, I'm gonna dish some out here. Get some broth. Whoops. I hope that didn't get on the camera. Get some carrots in there. Gotta make sure I get lentils in there. And I want some more broth. Uh-oh. That isn't good. Spilling it all over the place, which is not good. And a little bit more. I turned it down to warm in case I decide I want seconds. Some more beans in there. Some more lentils. As I said, I did turn it to warm. And we'll be tasting it here soon. Am I recording? Oh, I'm already recording. Okay. I didn't realize I put it on. So, I got some bread. I do like dipping my soup, but I'm just going to take a spoonful here of this. I'm trying to get a little bit of, got some, oops. Okay, here we go. And actually, I think this has carrots and the beans and the ham, lentils. Here you go. You want a bite? Yeah, it turned out really good. Right amount of saltiness and the broth. Yeah, real good. So, I want you all to remember, if, gotta stop chewing here. My mom always said, don't talk with food in your mouth. So, let me swallow here. They're really good. So, thank you all for watching. I hope you watched the whole thing and hung in there with me. And I will have a link in case you want to help me financially with being able to buy gas, and I gotta get the car fixed, stuff like that, so I can get out and bring you some more travel videos. And also, if you need a walker, wheelchair, cane, whatever type of assistive device you need to be able to live your life to its fullest, it's not making you handicapped, it's making you handy capable. Thank you all again. Have a great day, and God bless.